A brief Monopoly Go review. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you a brief Monopoly Go review. So if you want to learn how this review goes, then just listen to me carefully because I will teach you all the things you need to know about Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's go. So Monopoly Go is a classic take on the classic board game that is Monopoly. But in here you can also just play it on your phone with the same mechanics but with added functions. So in this app you can actually join some events which is not usually seen on the cardboard game. So you can play with friends right here and strangers that you don't know, and in here you have a lot of actual landmarks that you can build. So when you click on this right here, this is my actual 10th landmark or 10th city that I've been, but in the actual board game there's only one. So in here there's actually still smash, or actually the swing hit or smash hit. So if you click on that, or you've landed on that railway, then you will actually just put in a wrecking ball to the other's landmark and destroy their landmark and get some money on the process. On the other way, you can actually get on another railway that will allow you to have a bank case with the person that you can see in here. So if you actually get some bank case, then you can steal money from them and make them go bankrupt. So also in here, if you land in on this right here with these houses, then you can get rent from people that is on those houses. So for example, is this user, there's a stranger right here and I have 4 houses, and I can charge them a lot of money for the rent. So in here, if you click on this album right here, you can also see some stickers on Monopoly Go that you can get. There's a lot of things that you can do on Monopoly Go that is not on the usual Monopoly Go board game. So you can see a lot of events, you can invite friends and all of that. You can use shields that are unlimited, and you can also get unlimited levels. So that's my whole review. This is a great app and you should definitely try this if you love Monopoly Go. If you have queries or comments, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer them. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.